Good morning, students. As you all know, the school has started with the virtual school concept and it is going to start from 7th April. So, today it's the technical onboarding of all the students. So, in this, you will be given tutorials of how to use and download the Google Classroom app and the Google Hangouts Meet app. So, to continue this demo, I will be speaking in Hindi for all your better understanding. So let's start with how to download the Google Classroom app. For that you need to go to Play Store. अपने अपने phones पे Play Store पे चले जाइए. Then just type Google Classroom. Once you will download the app, it will install automatically. Then you have to open the app. As soon as you open, you will get this screen of Get Started. So just press on Get Started. Now you have to log in from the student account, which the official SSV Gyan Kendra account, which you all have been given. Whichever account which you are having, if you don't remember the account, then simply message on WhatsApp. So this is the ID I know, and there's a password to it as well. Yeah. So now I'm logged in with the student account. If you get this error, then don't worry, just press OK and then close the app, then relaunch the app and sign in again. So just again, once you get the error, just press your original account, which is your SSV original account, student account, and then you can log in successfully. Now you have to select your role. Pick your role. I'm a student or I'm a teacher. So all the students have to click on I'm a student, the blue icon over here. As soon as you log in, you will be able to see all your classes. So say for example you're in 6th standard, Hindi, English, Social Science and Science. All 4 languages you will be able to see. And right now maths has not been added. Lokesh sir, please add maths in this as well. Maths is not added. Student 1. Yeah. So anyways, you will be able to see all your classes over here. You have to simply click on join.
So maths have sent the English.
So once you click join for everything, then what you have to do is you will be getting this screen over here, and this will be showing stream, classwork, people, and one comment section over here. So all your teachers would be posting all your assignments over here, say PDFs or assignments, and you will be able to see it over here. So this is basically the Google Classroom app. If the teacher posts any PDF or photo, you will be able to see it over here, and then you can view all the notes or the audio notes, etc. The next tutorial is of Google Hangouts Meet. So to download that app, all you have to do is go to your Play Store and then type Meet. Hangouts Meet. Now since you've got Hangouts Meet over here, you have to install this particular app and install it in your phone. Then next thing, on your WhatsApp you will be receiving Google Hangouts Meet link. So before clicking the link, always make sure that the Hangouts Meet app is installed on your phone. So once you click the link, you will see 3 options. You have to open this link with Meet. So once you've joined, once the Hangouts Meet app has been opened, you will be seeing these 2 options of join meeting and present. So all of you have to click on join meeting. If it is showing ask to join meeting, then you have to change your email ID. See, it is currently I'm joining in as anujbed@ssvgyankendra.org. So if you're a student, you have to select your student ID, whichever student ID it is. You have to select that ID, official Gyan Kendra school ID, and then you have to click join meeting. Okay, after joining the meeting, you have to select on mute. See, once I tap on the main screen, I can see two options, mute and video cancel. So I have to press on this, microphone off. And then you will be present in the meeting. In Google Classroom, once you click this button on the top left, you will be seeing this option. Then you have to go on settings. And then you have to turn on sync over cellular data as well. This thing you have to turn on. Students, if you're not able to join any class, then if you don't automatically see a class over here, then you have to simply click on plus and then you have to enter your class code over here. Say for example,
AXEA
Hmm.
3II
3II join. So see, I've automatically just entered the class code and I've already joined this class. So in similar fashion, you can also join the class if you have the code with you. If you don't remember your official school email ID, then just go on WhatsApp and then on the official SSV Gyan Kendra school WhatsApp number, you have to go and just type I don't remember my email ID. My name is whatever your name is, your full name you have to type, and then you have to type your class, your old class, not your new class, your old class which you were in last year for the last academic year before when you were giving your final exams. Say say it was 5th standard, so you have to type that and then you have to send it.